10 years ago when I first started this channel, it was hard to make money online. But now with all this AI stuff, it's super easy and you should be making money online if that's what you're trying to do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online. Let's turn on that money printer for you. And I'm going to show you how to do everything step by step. And you won't need to make any website to actually get this method to work. So you don't need any technical skills. In fact, this is probably the easiest method I could have found online. It's actually crazy how easy this is. I really wish I had this 10 years ago. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make money online. Let's go. All right, guys. So I went out and found the easiest possible way to make money online. Like, you literally cannot get any easier than this. And the reason why is because I constantly get questions. What is the easiest way to make money online? I'm lazy, etc. So you need to realize that making money online is just like any other business. You need to put in the work. I don't think a lot of people actually understand that because I always get people say we tried the method, it didn't work, etc. And every single video I do show people that it's actually working for. Okay, so it does work. You just need to put in the time and effort. Now, it's not going to work for everybody, but it just depends how much work you're willing to put in. Anyhow, I've gone and found the easiest method that I could possibly find. Like, this is so simple to do and understand. So I found a method that can be done quickly, which means that I can create content easily, etc. And I can get it started right now. It's easy to understand. This is very easy to understand. And it's simple to do. And we're probably going to be using AI because everybody's using AI in their business now. I use it in my business for tasks. You have to be using it. It just makes things way easier. And it's advancing so quick now that if you don't have it in your business, you're probably going to be left behind. So I'm going to show you in this video, literally the easiest thing I could potentially find to make money online. This is so easy to understand, so easy to do. If you can't understand this, then you probably shouldn't be trying to make money online. That's how easy this is. So let's go ahead and get started. It's nuts what we can do with AI now because we don't even need to create our own content. I'll show you how. All right, so we're going to need to sign up to a few things. Number one, we need to sign up to a website called ClickBank, and I'll jump back to this a bit later on in the video and explain to you what we're going to use this for. But go and sign up to a website called ClickBank if you haven't done that already, and we're going to come back and go over this and use it later on in the video. The next thing is you're going to want to sign up to a video software that can create videos. This one, for example, InVideo.ai. We have Creatify.ai. Keep in mind that most video platforms are going to be the same. They pretty much all do the same thing. So Creatify, InVideo, but in this video, we're going to be using one called Revid.ai because they gave us a bunch of free credits that we could use. You can also get free credits to test this out for yourself by going to the website, and you don't need a credit card to sign up. You can sign up for completely free. You get some credits and then you can try this method out. So this is the one that we're going to be using in this tutorial. So go and sign up to Revid.ai. Super simple to understand. Okay, done. Now, let me show you how easy this stuff is, how simple it is to go and create content for this method and then go and make money for this method. Okay, let's get started. You see this website right here? Well, not website, this Instagram page, 1.9 million followers. All of their content is created AI creations. This one here, 254,000 followers. And all of their content is AI content. A lot of weird AI content, but it's AI content. And it's getting a lot of views. Now, if we click on this and we go to this link in this guy's bio here, they make money. How do they make money? They promote a product, okay? They promote these types of products. So for example, this green tea here, if we load this up, you'll see that they're promoting a green tea of some sort of tea, detox tea or something. They make money from this. We know they make money because they wouldn't be promoting it, and we know that they get a lot of followers, a lot of likes, and they are cranking out the content right now. But if you notice on these videos, you'll see a little watermark, InVideo.ai, InVideo.ai, InVideo.ai. They are literally using this platform right here. It's even got a watermark on it, which means they're probably not paying for the plan or whatever. It's got a watermark on it, and they're still getting insane amounts of views. That's crazy to me. And we can create this content super easy. Let me show you how. So the first thing we need to do is create content. Well, actually, you need to go ahead and create your own Instagram profile. So go and do that. Something like I love AI or big AI, just use ChatGPT to give you name ideas for your AI Instagram channel. Okay, next we go into Revid. And then what we do is we click on create new video. Now, what I did is I went to the script generator. Okay, so it's got this thing here, script generator. I went back to here and I saw this whale video of this person scraping barnacles off a whale. I went into here. I'll just get rid of these other tabs real quick. And I said, create me a script with a whale and someone scraping off barnacles, okay? And then it gave me a prompt. This is the prompt right here. This is the prompt. I did this before I started this video. I'm gonna now copy this because I don't want to waste my credits. I've already done it. But it will give you different types of prompts that you can use. So you just type in something really basic in here. Now what I do is I go back to here and I put in my prompt. There you go. And then I simply choose the type of style that I want for my video. Okay? I'm going to leave it on the default one. And then all I do is go generate video, or we could clone videos if we want, but generate video. And this is going to generate a video for me within seconds, I think. Yep, there we go. Oh, actually, this is the one that I did before, but we will let this one generate as well. It'll probably do the same thing or something similar, but that's how easy you can create content now with AI. It's absolutely nuts. It's crazy. Do you know how long this would have taken back in the day? A super long time. So I'm going to let this generate and come back, but you can see this is just crazy. I don't understand why people are not doing this sort of stuff, because you can create, like, he's got 1.9 million followers and he hasn't even created any of this content himself. He's used AI to do it. It's nuts. It's crazy. So I'm going to come back. Well, this is actually ready now. Okay, so it's created two different ones. If I click on this, let's have a look. And now this one does do a voiceover. We can turn it off, but it does do a voiceover. We could have a look here.
Beneath these crusty shells lies a gentle giant yearning to be free. Watch as divers carefully remove hundreds of barnacles from this massive whale's skin. Each barnacle weighs up to a pound, causing drag and discomfort.
Okay.
The whale stays.
So this particular software doesn't create like a moving video like this one, okay? That's the downfall about this one, but it gives you free credits so you can get started. However, it's still created a video that we can use to put on our social media account. So all you need to do now is export that. And what happened was it actually created two different versions. This is the first version that it created for me, and it's a different version. So you can keep using the same prompt to create different versions of the video that you want. Now, the next thing you might be asking yourself or me is, how do these guys make money, right? I don't have a green tea product that I can promote. Easy. You go to ClickBank. When you're in ClickBank and you sign up, you go to a place called Affiliate Marketplace and you go to the top offers. In the top offers section, there are products that you can promote. So for example, this Prime Biome, if I click on promote and I go to, and I choose my my username here. Okay, so that one you need approval for. Don't worry about that one. This one here is a dental niche. We can go to the dental niche here, go to continue, and we get a link at the bottom here. This link right here. This is an affiliate link where if someone makes a purchase through that affiliate link, we're going to get an average of $128. That's the average conversion that we would get. All we need to do is put that in our bio right here, probably through a link like Linktree or something like that. You need to mask the link, but that's how easy this is to do. You can create content with AI. You can upload that content to your own Instagram channel. Just copy what these guys are doing. Copy what this guy's doing. There's so many of them doing it. You go to ClickBank. You find a product in here in the top offers because you know that they're selling. And you go ahead and you link that in here. So easy to do. So easy to understand. You should be making money online. But this will take some time. Like, don't just post 1 or 2 videos and goes, oh, it doesn't work. These guys would have taken months to build this up. I'll see you guys in the next video. That's how easy it is to make money online. I'll see you then.